It's your girl Alicia, and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, I'm actually going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look that you guys see here. And I was just pretty much in the mood for yellow, just yellow vibes. And I just want to show you guys this eye look today. I didn't do a full makeup tutorial. I know you guys' patience is very short. If you guys would like full makeup tutorials, just let me know down in the comment section below. And let's just dive right into this video. Angel, so grab that Morphe 3502 palette and grab like that orangey shades, like a brownish orange. And I am going to be using this for my transition color girls. And as you can see, I'm just making sure I blend that like right above the crease area. Then I'm going to dive back into that palette and take that darker brown shade. And as you can see, I'm carving out the line where I want everything to be. And then I'm just going to blend it out really good so we don't have any harsh lines. And then I'm taking my concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Neutral Natural. And I'm just using that to carve out my crease as best as I can. And I'm using a concealer brush, and I'm just going to take a minute to work on this. Ladies, just take your time. Don't be me, because y'all know I be rushing because I don't got all day. But you want to just try to make that line as smooth as you possibly can. You don't want your concealer to be like thick and clumping up on your eyes, so just take your time to make sure everything is flattened out. And I'm gonna take that concealer and drag it all the way out to the end just to give that appearance of a wing. And I'm just gonna flatten that out as well, like you see here. Then I am actually going to be diving into this palette. This is the 35B palette, and I'm going to be taking that yellow shade. And you just want to take your time packing that on, and it works better if you use your finger and go back and pack some of that yellow on as well, because it'll make that yellow more vibrant. Now I'm just taking this gold liner and I'm lining right in between where the brown and the yellow meet. We are done. Like, comment, and subscribe, angels. Bye.